Hello and welcome to my lecture, How to Indent Paragraphs in Microsoft Word. Now, rather than hitting Tab or hitting 5 spaces, what you can do is you can configure Word to automatically indent your paragraphs for you. Let me show you how to do this. Here I am in a Microsoft Word file where my paragraphs are not indented. Instead, there's a blank space in between them. In between the paragraphs. This is the way I like to write nonfiction. But when it comes to fiction, I like the paragraphs to be indented and no space between paragraphs. How do I configure that? Well, you go to the Home menu, and on the Home ribbon, you come over to the Style section, and notice it says Normal here. Normal is the style for all paragraphs that aren't some other type of paragraph, like a heading or a title. So what you do is you, instead of left-clicking on normal, you right-click, and down will come a drop-down menu. And on that, you left-click on modify. That will bring up the modify style menu. Now here you can modify many things like the font used for by default in your document, the size of the font, colors, whether it's bold or italic. But what we want to do is come down to the lower left-hand corner to the Format button and click on that. And on the drop-down menu, select Paragraph. This will bring up the Paragraph configuration menu, and here finally we're where we want to be to configure indents. On the indentation bar of this dialog box, you come over to Special and scroll down and select First Line. So what we're going to do is we're going to indent the first line. So you select First Line, and the other thing that we want to do at the same time is get rid of the blank line after the paragraph. Notice the 8-point after spacing. We're going to make that 0. You usually either don't indent and have a blank line in between, or you indent and have no blank line in between. So we're going to go with an indent with no blank line. When I configure that, it's going to look like this. First line is 0.3 inches. That gives you about 5 spaces in a variable length font. And we're setting the after spacing to 0 point. And we click OK. Now, while we're back on this dialog box, the Modify Style, I like to, since we're configuring for fiction, I like to use Times New Roman for fiction. So I'm going to set that as my font in the font drop-down in the formatting section. And when I'm done, I now have indented paragraphs. Notice I just keep typing, and paragraphs automatically wrap to the next line where they don't indent. When I'm ready to create a new paragraph, I press enter and it's automatically indented. Now, what do I do if I want to remove the indenting and go back to where I was? Well, you start once again, you right-click on Normal, which is on the Home menu ribbon in the Style section, and you select Modify with your left-clicking mouse. That will bring up the Modify Style. You come down to Format in the lower left, click on that and select Paragraph. That will bring up the Paragraph dialog, and here we switch First Line on Special to None, so that we have no indenting on the first line, and we add what I prefer is 12-point space rather than the 8-point space we had before as a blank line between paragraphs. And while we're back on this screen, this is the way you set the font back to a nonfiction font, which I like to use Arial. If you want to go back to what it originally was, use Aptos Body. You can see just above Times New Roman, but I'm going to set it to Arial, my favorite. And here we are back to non-indented paragraphs with a blank line afterwards. That was how to set automatic indents in Word.